Hello students, today we are going to study about force and pressure, chapter 7th, class 8. Let us study about contact force. Force that act on only when two bodies on physical in contact. That is known as contact force. There are three types of forces, contact force. One is muscular force, second one is frictional force, third one is mechanical force. Muscular flow force with the muscles, you are running on the ground, you are going to the school with the help of muscle only, you are doing the work. Frictional force, friction, with the help of friction you are writing a letter with the force, that is known as frictional force. Mechanical force, with the machines you are doing some work, that is the mechanical force. There the mechanical energy, frictional energy, muscular energy. Here there are three types of forces. Second type of force is non-contact force, force that act when his body are not physical in contact. Now apples are falling on down, that trees, leaves, when the wind is blowing, that time the leaves are falling down. These are the non-contact force. Means without act on the body, it works. That is known as non-contact force. Let us study about muscular force. You can push or lift the book lying on a table without touching it. Can you lift the bucket of water without holding it? No. We have to apply the force on that with the hands. You have to uh, hold the bucket, and this is known as muscular force. The contact may also be with the help of stick or piece of rope. When we push an object like a school bag or lift the bucket of water, this type of force is known as muscular force. This force is caused by the action of muscles in our body. The force resulting due to the action of muscle is known as muscular force. Once again, I'll repeat. The force resulting due to the action of muscle is known as muscular force. For example, animal also makes a use of muscular force to carry out their physical activity and other tasks. Animals like bullocks, horses, donkeys, and camels are used to perform various tasks for us. In performing these tasks, they use the muscular force. Since muscular force can be applied only when it is in contact with an object, it is also called contact force. It is a good example of muscular force. Let us study about frictional force. Frictional force, opposing force that opposes the motion of a body over a surface of another body. Okay, here the force responsible for changing the state of motion of an object in all these examples is the force of friction. It is the force of friction between the surface of the ball and the ground that brings the moving ball to rest. Similarly, friction between water and the boat, it to stop once you stop the rowing. And one more example, the force of friction always act on all the moving object, and its direction is always opposite to the direction of the motion. Since the force of friction arises due to contact between surfaces, it is also an example of contact force. It may be wondering that the essential for the agent applying force of an object is always in contact with it. Here, a car, a scooter also comes to rest once its engine is switched off. Similarly, a boat comes to rest when we stop rowing it. Okay, these are the examples of frictional force.